Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has emphasized the need for a paradigm shift in addressing the South China Sea issue, stating that conventional diplomatic efforts with Beijing have been ineffective. In an interview with Japanese media on December 16, President Marcos expressed concern that the current diplomatic approaches were not yielding the desired results and suggested the necessity for a change in strategy. The remarks were subsequently shared with the Philippine media in a statement from the presidential palace. To this point, we have resorted to the traditional methods of diplomacy, but we have been doing this for many years now with very little progress, said Marcos, who was in Japan for Tokyo's commemorative summit with the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. It is time that the countries that feel that they have an involvement in this situation, we have to come up with a paradigm shift, Marcos said, while reiterating the Philippines wants to avoid violent conflict. He stated that his administration would continue to consult with its partners in order to develop a common statement outlining their respective duties in the West Philippine Sea. The term West Philippine Sea specifically denotes the part of the South China Sea falling within the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines. Recent tensions have escalated between Manila and Beijing following a collision involving their warships near a disputed shoal in the South China Sea. This incident has added to the existing complexities of territorial disputes in the region. Alongside the Philippines, other ASEAN countries such as Vietnam, Malaysia and Brunei also have conflicting claims with China in various areas of the South China Sea. The waterway is a critical passage for over $3 trillion in annual maritime trade. Despite 2016 ruling by the Permanent Court of Arbitration invalidating China's claims, tensions persist, with the US supporting the court's decision while China rejects it. As of now, there has been no immediate response from the Chinese embassy in Manila regarding the recent developments.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.